Currently 5 degrees. It's gonna get colder. This is pretty bad. But this wind chill is probably lower than that. I just always feel so bad for the animals. These two can handle it. And I feel so bad for the animals that are out there and just don't have a place to go. Hey, whoa, 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 take it easy around this corner. They're like children. Children, here he comes. Yeah. Oh man, yeah, I gotta fix that fence. We have so much to do and it's just so cold. Dad's gonna grab this broom. I gotta go do over there. It's bad. You wanna go in or you wanna come with me? We're trapped on the side until tomorrow because I didn't get very far. Like this is... that's something. We can't even get to the other side. That's a 12-foot bank. They got all this space over here, but it's nothing. Coda. Stop eating the snow. Don't eat that snow. Her head just straight up in that snowbank. Halia. Yeah, I know, you're crazy. You're gonna get an ear infection. Halia, over here. Yeah, this dog's gonna climb the 10-foot greenhouse on a snowbank. Don't you try to... Trekking through them. Yeah, you're gonna sing. What? Don't jump on his head. Your noses. It's really windy. I don't know if you can hear it, but hey girl, who's a happy babe? Huh?
Oh my goodness.
She's going nuts.
Oh my God,
Yeah. She can't even contain herself.
She's just like, it's another world.
Yeah. It's a fresh cover of it, babe.
What?
Fresh cover, babe.
Oh.
That was funny, man. Easy, it's gonna happen again.
He's coming to see his mama.
Easy, buddy.
Oh, you're cute.
You're gonna hurt your little legs. Unbelievable.
That's cute.
It's a really nice sunset over there.
Bye.